Yeah. I'm gonna go straight through this way. I got that shit on camera. All right. I got that shit on cam.
What, me sliding?
Yeah.
Oh,
part of it, yeah.
Please tell me
all
what's
right,
going on.
Doom, tank.
Battery's out.
Here. Here, hold on.
You got a spare battery?
Take it right there for my chest. Look. Hurry up.
Go. You got your own battery out?
All right, Tink, come with me. We're going house. Shit. That's mine. All right, we're going house, Light's already, I already got the light. No tape, good. Shit. You're hitting right here, buddy.
Bang, down. Bang side, bang.
Nobody's there. Hey, tower. All right, they're in the tower. At all?
At all.
Anybody got Joker on comms? Miles. Come join me on an adventure. Lowe's. Let's go house. I got you covered. Go. Move. I got you. They're clearing out house. Come on, man. White shirt, you're out. Come on, Ed. Right there on your arm. Right there on your arm. Look, I got tracers, dude. And I got a cam on. No, you didn't. You kept shooting. No, you didn't. For fuck's sake, man.
You have your Glock?
Huh?
You have Glock?
I'm on my Glock now.
I know you're having that issue with that kid. Grab the kids that are fucking back here. They're shooting me in the back when I'm advancing.
Yeah, I know.
They're scared to fucking move and the only person that sees me.
I'm holding down the fucking middle.
Berto, you got a mag?
Oh, mag?
Yeah, mine's not shooting. We got center, right? Man. Man, right there on your arm. Yeah, fucking A, dude. Tracers. Yeah, I hit you. Oh, same rage machine's back. What the fuck? Walking back to spawn. What the fuck is your problem?
I called you a fucking pussy, nigga, because you calling me I hit you. You hit me. You didn't hit me. You didn't hit me. Nobody hit me. Nobody hit me. He hit me back there. You didn't hit me.
I'm going this. I'm backing off.
I'm sorry to tell you. You didn't hit me, bro.
Yo, man. Ref. Yo, ref. Let's pull back the video. That guy shot me on purpose while I was walking away. I'm back. I'm back.
Look, the same shit happened to me.
I'm cool.
Walk it off. Let's go.
I'm cool. I'm talking to the ref.
Yeah, I'm gonna make an announcement.
Okay.
It's
him.
I'm the only one I'm gonna speak to me.
All right.
First from you.
So I got traces. I can see it getting hit, right? So I go out. I start walking out. As I walk out, the guy lights me up in the back. I turn around. I raise my hand. I'm like, I'm out. Turn around. He fucking does it again. Then he advances off the tower. I'm walking away. I was coming out to get you because that shit wasn't cool. That guy did that last time that we were here. I was walking off.
Show me if anything once we get out.
I'm gonna go pull it down right now.